Making money online can be exciting and rewarding, but it's important to navigate the legal landscape to avoid potential pitfalls. Here are the key legal concerns you need to know. First, taxes. All online income is taxable, and whether you're freelancing or running an online business, you'll need to report your earnings and pay any necessary taxes. Next, intellectual property. Protect your creations and avoid using copyrighted materials without permission. Consumer protection laws are also key. Be transparent about refunds, return policies, and protect customer data to stay compliant with privacy laws like GDPR. Don't forget licensing. Depending on your business, you may need a license or permit to operate legally. Also, clear contracts are a must for freelancers and online entrepreneurs to define work terms and avoid legal disputes. Finally, if you're using platforms like YouTube or Instagram, always follow their terms of service and disclose any paid partnerships transparently. By staying informed about these legal issues, you can protect yourself and run a successful online venture. Stay tuned for more detailed explanations on each topic in the upcoming sections of this video. Let's start with taxes, one of the most important legal considerations when making money online. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just selling items on an online marketplace, your earnings are subject to taxation. Just a quick note. The information in this video is for informational purposes only. It is not intended as legal or financial advice. I am not your lawyer or accountant, so please consult with a professional for specific guidance tailored to your situation. Now, it's essential to understand that the IRS, or your local tax authority, considers any online income to be taxable. This includes freelance work, selling products, affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and more. So no matter what you're doing online, you need to keep track of your earnings and report them come tax time. If you're freelancing or running a business, you'll likely need to fill out forms like the 1099 in the US or equivalent forms in your country. These documents report income earned from clients or platforms that paid you, and they are sent to the IRS or your local tax authority. One way to keep things organized is by using tax software or hiring a tax professional. They can help you track your income, deductions, and ensure you're paying the right amount of taxes. Depending on your location, you may need to file your taxes quarterly instead of annually, especially if you're self-employed or running a business. Failing to file or pay your taxes on time can result in penalties, interest, or even legal action. Another consideration is sales tax. If you sell physical goods, especially online, you may be required to collect sales tax depending on your location and where your customers are located. This can get tricky as each state or country may have different rules. And if you're selling internationally, you'll need to be aware of different tax laws, including customs duties, VAT, and more. Some countries may require you to register for a tax ID number and collect VAT on sales made to customers there. To avoid any tax-related issues, make sure to keep accurate records of all your online transactions, and don't forget to set aside a portion of your income for taxes. It's also a good idea to regularly consult with a tax professional to ensure you're staying compliant with the law. In summary, taxes are a critical concern when making money online. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, or earning through ads, it's essential to track your income, report it properly, and pay any necessary taxes to avoid legal issues down the road. Up next, we'll dive into intellectual property, how to protect your creations and avoid costly mistakes. Stay with us. As an online creator, your work is your passion, but who owns your creations? That's where intellectual property, or IP, comes in. IP refers to creations of your mind. It's as valuable as your physical belongings. Protecting your IP ensures control over your creations. Next, we'll explore types of IP protection. Just like superheroes have their unique powers, intellectual property comes in various forms, each designed to protect different aspects of your work. These are the four main types of IP protection you should know: copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, such as music, books, articles, and even software code. If you created it, you own the copyright. Simple as that. Trademarks, on the other hand, safeguard brands and logos. Think of the iconic Apple logo or the swoosh of Nike. These are trademarks that distinguish those brands from the competition. Patents are a bit more complex, but equally important. They protect new inventions, processes, or designs. So, if you've invented a groundbreaking new gadget or a revolutionary manufacturing process, a patent is your best bet. Finally, we have trade secrets, which are confidential pieces of information that give businesses a competitive edge. This could be a secret recipe, a customer list, or even a unique marketing strategy. Understanding the nuances of each type of IP is crucial for online creators. It allows you to choose the right protection for your specific needs and ensures that your creativity and hard work are shielded from unauthorized use. Let's dive deeper into the realm of copyrights. Imagine you've just finished writing an ebook or recording a series of online tutorials. These creations, born from your intellect and effort, are automatically protected by copyright law. That's right, you own the copyright the moment your work is complete. However, while automatic copyright protection is a great starting point, registering your copyright with the appropriate authorities provides an extra layer of security. It's like giving your creative work a suit of armor. Why is registration so important? Well, it serves as public notice that you own the copyright, making it easier to enforce your rights in case of infringement. Moreover, registering your copyright allows you to seek statutory damages in court, which can be significantly higher than actual damages. This means that if someone steals your work, you'll have a stronger case and potentially receive greater compensation. So, while registering your copyright may require some additional effort, the peace of mind and legal protection it provides are well worth it. Beyond copyrights, understanding trademarks, patents, and trade secrets can be incredibly beneficial for online creators. Trademarks, as we've discussed, protect your brand identity. Registering your trademark prevents others from using a confusingly similar mark, ensuring that your brand stands out and your customers can easily identify your products or services. Patents, while more common in the world of inventions, can also be relevant for online creators developing new technologies or software. A patent grants you exclusive rights to your invention, allowing you to control how it's made, used, and sold. This can be a powerful tool for attracting investors and building a successful business around your creation. Trade secrets, on the other hand, are all about confidentiality. If you have a secret recipe for success, whether it's a unique marketing strategy or a special sauce that makes your content go viral, keeping it under wraps is crucial. This means implementing strong security measures, limiting access to sensitive information, and using confidentiality agreements with employees and contractors. Remember, protecting your intellectual property is an ongoing process. By staying informed about your rights and taking the necessary steps to secure your creations, you can ensure that your hard work is protected and your online endeavors thrive. Next, let's dive into consumer protection laws. These laws are designed to ensure that your customers are treated fairly and that your business practices are transparent and ethical. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services online, consumer protection is key to maintaining trust and avoiding legal trouble. First, let's talk about clear communication. When selling online, it's critical to provide clear and accurate descriptions of your products or services. Misleading claims or hidden fees can lead to penalties or legal action. You also need to have a clear return and refund policy. Many regions require you to give customers the right to return goods within a certain period, like 30 days. Be sure to include this information on your website, making it easily accessible to your customers. Another key consideration is data protection. With the rise of online transactions, consumer data privacy is more important than ever. Ensure you protect personal information. Obtain consent before collecting data. and allow customers to opt out of data sharing. Make sure your website has a privacy policy in place that clearly outlines how you collect, store, and use customer data. Transparency about data usage helps build trust with your customers and ensures you're compliant with regulations. Terms and conditions are another important aspect of consumer protection. When a customer makes a purchase or signs up for a service, they should be required to agree to your terms and conditions. These outline the rules for using your website and purchasing your products, and they can protect you from legal claims down the road. Providing excellent customer service is also a part of consumer protection. Handling customer complaints professionally and efficiently can not only help resolve issues but also help avoid disputes that could escalate to legal action. To avoid potential issues, be clear about your shipping policies, including estimated delivery times, costs, and any restrictions. If your products are damaged or lost during shipping, your policy should outline how you'll handle returns, replacements, or refunds. In summary, consumer protection laws are essential to maintaining trust and credibility with your customers. From clear product descriptions and refund policies to protecting customer data and providing good customer service, complying with these laws is not just about avoiding legal trouble, it's about building a positive reputation for your business. Next up, we'll explore licenses and permits, what you need to operate your online business legally and avoid running into any roadblocks. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about licenses and permits. Even if your business operates entirely online, you may still need specific licenses and permits to operate legally. These requirements vary depending on your location, the type of business you run, and the products or services you offer. First, you'll need to check whether your business requires a general business license. In many regions, this is a basic requirement for any business operating in the area, even if it's online. This ensures your business is registered with local authorities and complies with local regulations. If you're selling physical products, you may also need a sales tax permit or seller's permit. This allows you to collect sales tax from customers, which you'll then remit to the appropriate tax authority. The rules vary by state or country, so it's essential to understand the requirements in the regions where you operate. For freelancers or service-based businesses, you might need a professional or occupational license depending on your industry. For example, fields like legal consulting, financial advising, or healthcare often have licensing requirements to ensure you meet professional standards. If your business involves food, beverages, or other regulated goods, you may need specialized permits such as health permits or FDA approvals. Selling internationally might also involve additional import-export licenses depending on the products you're shipping. In some countries, you may also need to register your online business for value-added tax or VAT or similar consumption taxes if you sell to international customers. Make sure to research whether registration is required based on your sales volume and target markets. Finally, don't forget to renew your licenses and permits on time. Many business licenses require annual or periodic renewals, and failing to stay up to date could result in fines or the suspension of your business operations. To summarize, the licenses and permits you need depend on the type of business you run and where you operate. Check with local, state, and federal authorities to ensure you're meeting all legal requirements. And if you're unsure, consult a business lawyer or professional advisor to guide you through the process. Next up, we'll discuss contracts and agreements, why they're essential for protecting yourself and your business relationships. Stay with us. Let's move on to contracts and agreements. These are critical for ensuring your business relationships are clear, professional, and legally binding. Whether you're working with clients, suppliers, or contractors, Having a solid contract in place can save you from potential disputes down the road. A contract is essentially a written agreement that outlines the responsibilities, expectations, and obligations of all parties involved. It should clearly state what each party is agreeing to, including payment terms, timelines, and deliverables. One important section to include in every contract is the termination clause. This outlines how and under what circumstances the agreement can be ended. It protects both you and the other party if the relationship doesn't go as planned. For online businesses, many contracts can be created and signed digitally. There are tools and platforms available that allow you to send, sign, and store contracts securely. Just make sure that digital signatures are legally recognized in your jurisdiction. If you're a freelancer or content creator, pay special attention to intellectual property clauses in your contracts. These specify who owns the rights to the work you produce and how it can be used. Make sure you're comfortable with the terms before signing. Another key aspect is including dispute resolution clauses. These specify how conflicts will be resolved, whether through mediation, arbitration, or legal action, and can save time and money if issues arise. In summary, contracts and agreements are essential for protecting your business and setting clear expectations with everyone you work with. If you're not sure how to draft a contract, consider working with a lawyer or using reputable online contract templates as a starting point. Next, we'll dive into affiliate marketing and influencer disclosures. What you need to know to comply with regulations and maintain transparency with your audience. See you in the next section. Let's talk about affiliate marketing and influencer disclosures. If you're making money online by recommending products or services, it's crucial to understand the rules around transparency and honesty. One of the most important requirements is disclosing any material connections you have with the brands or products you promote. This means being clear if you're earning a commission or receiving free products in exchange for your review or promotion. The disclosure must be clear, prominent, and easy to understand. For example, if you're posting on social media, you can use hashtags like #ad, #sponsored, or #affiliate. In blog posts or videos, add a verbal or written statement explaining your connection to the product. Remember to place the disclosure where it's immediately noticeable. Hiding it at the bottom of a long page or in fine print isn't sufficient. Your audience should know upfront that your content contains affiliate links or paid promotions. This applies to all platforms, whether it's a blog, video, social media post, or email newsletter. The goal is to ensure transparency and build trust with your audience. Failing to disclose material connections can lead to legal issues, fines, and damage to your reputation. So always prioritize transparency when engaging in affiliate marketing or sponsored content. That wraps up our discussion on affiliate marketing and influencer disclosures. Remember, staying informed about legal requirements helps you run a successful and compliant online business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.